Scots, I'm Eliana Burquez.
And I'm Tessa Egerton. Welcome back to another episode of Scots Weekly.
Hey Tessa, did you happen to miss Picture Day?
Yeah, I did. I was sick that day.
No worries, Picture Day Makeup Day is coming on November 5th.
Perfect. Thanks for the reminder.
Anytime.
Now let's jump right into today's announcements.
First up, attention freshmen, this is your last call to pick up your tumbler that came from the 9th grade bundle from Scots Preview Night.
You can grab your tumbler in the activities office before school, after school, or during lunch.
But don't wait, today's the last day to pick them up. Next up, AP students, it's October, which means the deadline is getting closer.
Don't get stuck in long lines or risk a $40 late fee for missing the deadline.
The last day to sign up for your AP exams without a late fee is October 24th.
So sign up online or at the finance office as soon as you can, and don't let the procrastination monster catch you. Finally, today we've got our homecoming rally during third period.
Plus, don't forget there's a big football game tonight against BCHS.
And that's not all. Our homecoming dance presented by the cheer team is happening right here at Highland.
The dance kicks off tomorrow at 7 p.m. in the gym. Tickets are $10 at the finance office or $20 at the door. Make sure to bring it to school. All right, we're going on a quick break.
Stay tuned for more Scots Weekly.
Hey Scots, I'm Celeste.
And I'm Lily. Today we're talking about something serious that affects our school community, fighting on campus.
That's right. Sometimes arguments can get heated, but when it turns into a fight, it doesn't just end there. There are real consequences that can follow you even after high school.
Here on campus, fights can lead to suspension, getting kicked off sports team, and even losing out on school events or leadership opportunities.
And if the situation involves police, it can go on your record, which can affect college applications, jobs, or even joining the military later on. Plus, fighting can damage your relationship with friends, teachers, and staff. It creates tension and can hurt the school environment for everyone.
Guys, there's always a better way to solve problems, like talking to a counselor, using conflict resolution, or just walking away.
Let's keep Highland a safe and respectful place for everyone.
Stay positive, stay kind, and always
Plaid up, Scots.
Welcome back, Scots.
Now let's hand it over to Julian.
Hey, it's your boy Johnny Jackson, Party in the Projects, and today we'll be asking some questions about Ohoko. We're here with
Hector. Julian.
All right, today's question is, if you were able to change this year's Ohoko theme, what would you change it to?
I would change it to an aquatic theme. I feel like that would be cool and just like a bunch of bright, orange, red colors, blue. I feel like it would be a very good theme.
Okay. What about you?
I would change it to Hollywood because I feel like Hollywood matches our culture that we have now, with everyone wearing denim shirts and everything. So I'd do Hollywood instead of Vegas.
Okay, I like that. We're here with
Isaac.
Matthew.
RJ.
All right, today's question is, if you were to bring any celebrity to the homecoming dance, who would it be? Let's start with you.
Let's start over there.
Over there. Let's start with you.
Steph Curry.
Say that again?
Steph Curry.
Steph Curry. Who would you bring?
Madison Beard.
Madison Beard. Okay. And what about you?
Little Baby.
Little Baby. Okay. All right. Today we're with
Kira. Tiffany. Paisley.
All right. If you were to take any celebrity to the homecoming dance, who would it be?
LaMelo Ball.
Thanks for that video, Julian.
Now it's game time. Let's check in with our sports team and see the latest highlights on Highland.
What's up, Scots? SCOT, Scotsmen Stand Up. And we're back again with some more sports announcements.
Today we'll be going over the sports games and new tryouts coming up here at Highland. Girls soccer conditioning starts next Monday at 3:30 p.m. Make sure you're cleared for the new year on Sportsnets or you won't be able to try out. For any questions, hit up Coach Jacqueline in room 4I.
Boys soccer tryouts started last Monday on the practice fields. If you want to try out, all you need is running shoes.
Make sure you guys have your physical.
Check out these interviews from our volleyball team talking about the senior night happening next week on Thursday.
Hello, Scots. I'm here with
Tiffany Torres.
Tiffany, what does senior night mean to you?
Senior night means to me a night that kind of acknowledges my hard work I put into the volleyball program, and it's just like all my friends and family and staff, they come and watch and just kind of like come together.
Do you think it'll be a sad moment for you?
Yes, I think it'll be a sad moment. I know it's not a goodbye, it's just a see you later type of situation, but I know I've just been around Highland for so long. It feels like I'm leaving a piece of me.
I get that. I think it'll be great. Tiffany, what is one of your greatest moments with your volleyball team?
Honestly, I can't really say one of our greatest moments. I feel like the season is still very ongoing at the moment. But I will say one of my favorite things that I have with my team is our connections. I feel like I work really hard on trying to build what we have now.
I get that. What's some advice you would give to the younger volleyball players after you?
Some advice I would give to the younger volleyball players is to honestly just be out of your comfort zone. Like if you're more a quiet person, I feel like this volleyball program is a very safe space to just to let it all out, kind of just like escape reality in a way.
I get that. Who am I here with?
Allie Watford.
Allie, what does senior night mean to you?
To me, senior night is a time where all my family, friends, and teammates can just look back at the last 4 years of volleyball and honestly just remember all of it.
Okay, and do you think it'll be a sad moment for you?
Yes, it definitely will, especially this year. I feel like we've had such a good team, so I'm definitely going to be sad.
What is your favorite memory with your volleyball team?
My favorite memory with my volleyball team would probably be when we go to away games, because I feel like it's a time when we just all get to hang out and have fun, and then also cheering for the other team before our game.
It's to build connection?
Yes.
Allie, what is some advice you'd give to the younger volleyball players?
Some advice I would give to them is to always just work hard, do your best, and honestly just not give up.
Let's talk football. Today's homecoming game against BCHS, JV at 5:30 and varsity at 7:30. Be there and plat up.
All right, Scots, that's all from us.
Have a good day, Scots. Don't forget to plat up and show support.
Scots, don't go anywhere. We've got more exciting stuff coming up soon.
Stay tuned. We'll be right back after this quick break.
Hey, you going to the game tonight?
Most def.
What you finna wear?
This, bro.
Woo! What I sparring?
Oh, hey guys.
Hey, what's up?
Yo, what's up, bro?
Oh, your guys' fists look tough. Where'd you get it from?
From the student store over there.
Want to show me?
Yeah.
H-what? H-block? Man, it's getting pretty cold out here, Emily.
It sure is, Mr. Zabala.
Man, I wish we had some sweaters to survive out here.
Me too.
Whoa,
Woo.
what?
Oh my goodness.
What the heck? We got sweaters?
Oh my goodness.
Man, you look so awesome, man.
Sure do, Zabala.
Yeah. Hey, Scots, remember, if you guys want to get some cool gear, stop by the student store or at the finance office at any time. Wait, guys, get off your phones. Hey, guys, come on. How are you going to be stuck on your phones for? Come on, guys. Hey, guys, you guys need any help out here?
Nah, we're good. We're on task.
Man, that's what's up, man.
That wraps up today's episode of Scots Weekly.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to
Plat up!